Let's begin today's class with this thought in mind. Don't compare yourself with others. Your only competition is with the person you were yesterday. So here, today we will do the question here, question number 7. Solve the given exponential equation. Our question is solve the given exponential equation. This question have 4 parts. So we can solve here one by one. So here our first part is bracket under root 6 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 1 here. In this question we have solved the given exponential equations. Here the exponent is x minus 2. Now in this question firstly we have to make the same base. In this question firstly I have to make the same base. So I write here under root 6 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to, I have to make the same base. So I write here under root 6 raised to power 0. This is also is equal to 1 because we know that a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So I write here to make them the same base. Here under root 6, here under root 6, they have a same base. So here, now we can compare here the exponents. Now comparing the exponents here, the exponent is x minus 0, here the exponent is 0. I write this under root 6 raised to power 0 because I have to make the same base. Now I made the same base here under root 6 here, under root 6 here, and this is also is equal to 1 here. So I write 1 as this is equal to, then now I comparing the exponent, then I write x minus 2 is equal to this 0 here, or x is equal to 2. This is our answer of this question. X minus 2. Now I change the position of this 2 from here to here. In the another side, from the left hand side to the right hand side, now this minus sign becomes positive sign. So here this is the solution of our first part. Now our second part is 3 raised to power 4x is equal to 1 upon 81 here. I write here 3 raised to power 4x. Here the exponent of 3 is 4x and base is 3 is equal to 1 upon, I can write 81 as, now I have to do the prime factorization of this 81. So I write here 81, 8 plus 1, 9, divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now I write 81 as 3 raised to power 4. Now I write it as 3 raised to power 4x is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to power 4. I write this as 3 raised to power minus 4. Now here we compare here the exponents. So I write it as exponent of first is this LHS 4x and here the exponent is minus 4. Now I can write this as 4x is equal to minus 4 and I write this as x is equal to this minus 4 in the numerator and this 4 in the denominator. 4 ones are 4. With the symbol of minus here, I write x is equal to minus 1. This is our answer of this question. Now move to our third part. Our third part is under root 2 here x. This is equal to 2 raised to power 8. Now we also know that this under root, I write under root as 1 upon 2. The value of under root as this square square root is, the value of square root is 1 upon 2. So I write here 2 raised to power 1 upon 2 x is equal to 2 raised to power this 8. Then I multiply this x by 1 upon 2. x1 is x upon 2. 2 raised to power x multiplied by 1 x upon 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 8. On comparing the exponent, on comparing these exponent, I write here x upon 2. From here the exponent is equal to, from here 8 is the exponent, I write it as 8. Now I write here in the denominator there is nothing, so I write here it as 1, 8 upon 1, and now I can do the by cross multiply of this question here. 2 multiplied by 8 and 1 multiplied by x. So it becomes 1 multiplied by x is equal to x and 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. So here our answer is 16. Here is a space, so I write here our fourth part here. So our fourth part is 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 raised to power 2x minus 1. This is our question. Here our exponent is 2x plus 1 and here our exponent is 2x minus 1. So firstly in this question we have to make the same base. Here our base is 2, here our base is 4. So I have to make here the same base. So I can do here 2 raised to power this 2x plus 1 is equal to, I can write this 4 as 2 raised to power 2. Outside the exponent is 2x minus 1. So here I write again 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 is equal to this multiplied by this. 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2x is equal to 4x minus 2 ones are 2 here. Now we compare here the exponents. That is, I write the exponent, only exponent I write here. 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 2. Then constant term write with constant term and variable term write with a variable term. I write here same terms with together. 2x minus 4x. Minus 4x is equal to minus 2. Here this minus 1 here. By interchanging the digit, the sign also interchange. The signs also change. Here 2x minus 4x is equal to minus 2x is equal to minus 2 minus 1 plus and symbol of bigger term minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2. This minus cuts this minus. So our here answer is equals to 3 upon 2 is our answer of this question. Stay connected with us for next worksheet or next questions, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So that's all in today's video.